In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start with a template on Wix Studio. If you've ever wondered about creating a website but felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of options available, starting with a template can be a fantastic way to guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this simply and effectively. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the Sites page of your Wix account. If you're unsure about where this is, don't worry. After logging into your Wix account, glance over to the left sidebar of the page. You'll notice several sections available here, each serving different functions. You will be looking for the section labeled Sites. Clicking on this will lead you to a place where you can manage and create new sites. It's quite user-friendly, so you should be able to find it without much hassle. Once you're on the Sites page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the option to Create New Site. Click on this button to move forward in designing your very own site. It feels exciting to be starting something new, doesn't it? After clicking to create a new site, you'll be presented with different starting options. What we're looking for is the option labeled Start from Template. Selecting this will allow you to choose from a wide array of pre-designed templates. These templates are more than just a blank page. They come preloaded with sample content and layouts that can be perfect for jumpstarting your website project. Once you're in the template browsing area, you might feel a little overwhelmed by the sheer number of options available. But here's the good news. Wix Studio provides filters to help you browse effectively. These filters are located above the templates. They allow you to narrow down the templates by specific categories, such as business type or design style, making it easier to find something that matches your vision. Take your time to scroll through these options. Choose a template that resonates with your purpose and aesthetic, as the template you select will significantly influence the first impression your website will make. That's all it takes to get started with a template on Wix Studio. By beginning with a template, you're building a strong foundation for your website. This foundation provides a framework which you can then go on to personalize and elaborate according to your specific needs and tastes. Remember, starting with a template is not only a time saver, but also a fantastic way to ensure your website has a cohesive and professional design right from the start. Good luck, and enjoy creating your new digital space.